Welcome to another Friday closing bell for the date ending 4th of December. Very quick snap of it, everything looking great, and partly this is due to the interest rate possible hike on December 15, where we saw a sell-off in the US Dow Jones, which I will show you immediately, and that sort of carry on to our regional market, and Malaysia is no exception, but at least Malaysia is holding its ground, as well as Singapore, which is down only slightly, 6 points. Singapore is doing much better, down only 4 points. Hang Seng is down. What else is down? Well, this Shanghai is down too. Now let's look at the chart that we have in here. On the weekly basis, you can see market could not break above the 1780, which is the level that I was talking about last week. That is a critical level, as I said before, knowing that we are not able to break above. So that will tell you something about this market in here. Still moving sideways, dip below the 50-day moving average. Is that for concern? We will know next week. But judging from it, we should see market continue to sort of face downwards in here. Now on the weekly chart, you can see here, still, well, I do see this is a one-eye Joe trade, symmetrical. Either going to break upside or downside before going further. Small cap stock, the selling has tapered out, but who knows? Typically, when you see narrow spread bar, you can have one just sell off from here onwards. It can go both ways. Same thing for the mid cap stock. All right. Now let's look at the foreign funds flow. As you can see before, suddenly we have foreign funds selling, which is very massive. The last 3rd of December and 2nd of December, almost 250 million. The week before, nicely rise that you can hear from then onwards. Let's look at the regional market. Singapore. Okay, Singapore broke below the 50-day moving average, which is at the 2940. Couldn't hold it. 2580. Well, you have a nice support in here. Volume is not evident in here. 2900 is a level that we need to break back up again. Judging from that's going to be interesting to see if we're going to break. On the futures, KLSE futures, you can see 1650 is building a nice base in here. We got couples of nice little spring. Again, this cannot break down. If we can't break down, and we look forward to move back higher. But I do see market continue moving lower before moving higher. All right, and on the CPO, the strengthening of our US dollar against ringgit, that sees holding up a nice base at 2350. Looks like going to break the 24050 in level in here. Now going with foreign funds, we've seen the regional market. Let's look at the so-called US market that we see here. All right. Now this is the US market. We saw a sell-off breaking below the 200-day moving average. That's the one that people were really concerned in, and breaking below here. So this is why people talk about the double top. We saw possible a 5-day breakout from here. It did not turn to a 2-bar reversal. The 50-day is, well, this is going to be a showstopper whether we can see this breakout. A lot going to depend on how much thing have been priced in. Okay, so let's look at the other market that we have. The Hang Seng market, again range bounding. Australia again still holding below the 50, and you got a little bit more Shanghai trying to break above 3800, and the Nikkei holding up above the 200-day moving average in here. Let's look at the ringgit. Now ringgit has weakened as ringgit has strengthened back again to 2.20. Okay, so that's a strengthened a bit. As a matter of fact, there's nice base building 420. Gold market has broken down below the 1050 level. Now the 1070 will be the resistance for it to hold up here. The Sing dollar. Let's look at the Sing dollar. If I have it here, let me change this to Sing dollar for you. SINRM. Okay, holding up above 303 there. That will be a resistance 303 level there. Okay, let's look at the wicks, which is the measure of volatility from the US side. You can see market is trying to move back up to 18.81. That is because of the talk of interest rate rise. Last week we were at 15. We was thinking that this could actually go down to 15, but going back to around 20, we will see market tonight will break another 200 points. That is very likely to see on that one. Okay, let's look at the stocks that we have last week. Quickly to review here. Last week was 27, right? KPJ, 4th of December in here. That's the one, 2 bar. Okay, no, 27 was this one, right? Break higher, that's just to reverse back in here. PBA 27 was here, no follow through. A lot of these stocks are 27 was nice breakout, no follow through. GBBC 27 was that? Yeah, that moves up, nice one. GBBC. And for the Hong Kong was last week, what were we looking at? Hong Kong were PCCW. Okay, PCCW. I believe that one moved higher. Let me just take a look at this. PCCW. Okay, PC. Let's lock in again. Okay, PCCW. Right, and market 27 was here. Okay, 27 was a 2 bar, went up. You got an uptrust, did break down. I think Hong Kong is breaking down too. So that's pretty much sum up everything now. Now let's look at the stocks that we have for next week. I'm just going to keep it short to 3 stocks. One is London Biscuit, nice breakout. The other one is Jardine CC. And for the Hong Kong stocks, I have 0929 IPE. Right, this is the one. Nice base building here, breaking out 120 something. So those are the stocks that I have for next week. Okay, now as a wrap up, I want to keep it short. All right, and we are looking at the market going to be a one-eye Joe. Either it's going to break upside or downside here. Breaking 1650, which means we don't know where the bottom's going to be. With the US interest rate coming down, everything looking a bit more on the downside than the upside. But keep your hopes high as the market will continue to digest the next 2 weeks coming into. The sooner the interest rate is being priced in, the higher the market can go higher. With that, thank you for listening. Bye-bye.